Hi, welcome to Raybestos Brake Stop. Now STOP stands for Solutions and Training Online Portal. Now think about that, solutions and training. Okay, so what we're trying to do is dedicate this as a one-stop shop for technicians and shop owners to help with everyday problems. Now, by registering for the Brake Stop, you would have instant access to things like training videos and TSBs and customer resources, tips and tricks, and a lot more. The main focus is to provide interactive and application-specific information to make your job easier. Now, maybe you want to carry Raybestos products, so we have a search feature there on the portal that would allow you to find the nearest distributor in the US or Canada. Maybe you have an idea that you want to send to us and suggest for a topic or a video or TSB. Well, then you could go on the dashboard and put that information on there, and if we do use it, we'll give you a little shout out on it. But the Brake Stop is absolutely free to join, and all techs and shop owners are welcome. Now, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that register button now and get going.